So, I was going to do another video this week, but I decided to do this one for two reasons. The first is that if I made that other video, it'd be incredibly rushed and unprofessional. The second is that because this is huge news. Kings Island officially announced on Friday that the classic era looper Vortex is closing after this season. It has lasted 33 seasons, but it's finally time to see it go. This was personally my favorite era looper, but unfortunately, I missed out on it when I went this year. Something that I found interesting while writing this is that in Orion's POV, Vortex is still visible. I'm honestly surprised by this removal for a couple reasons. The first is that this is the second coaster to be removed at Kings Island recently, the other one being Firehawk. Another reason is that Kings Island has a lot of room to expand. It's not like they're crammed for space like Cedar Point or Canada's Wonderland. This removal could mean a lot of things. The most obvious choice is that this means that a new ride, particularly a new roller coaster, will probably follow in its place. Without Vortex, there will be very little left in the Coney Mall section. The Racer and Windseeker would be the only notable rides in the area. So what could follow? The obvious choice is a roller coaster, but what type? One idea is a Gerstlauer Infinity Coaster. If you look at the land that Vortex takes up, there is size for a fairly good coaster. If they do go with an Infinity, they could look at something like Hang Time at Knott's Berry Farm, or they could go to break the Smiler's record for inversions. Although that isn't likely, it would be very cool. Another idea could be an Armsy Raptor or even a T-Rex. The area is fairly compact, but it has enough area for a great coaster. But when could we see this? I'd say with the closing being announced at the end of the 2019 season and Orion coming next year, I could see this anywhere from 2021 to 2023. Cedar Fair definitely wants to build up Kings Island, and this would be a great addition. But for now, all we have is speculation. Anyways, that's it for this week. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps promote my channel. I'm Atomic, and thank you very much for watching.